Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams.
On the left, we have the REDTIGER F7N Dashcam Hardwire kit, and on the right, we have the Cosuvow Dashcam 4K front dash camera for cars. Get ready for some serious comparison action.
Let's kick things off with the price.
The REDTIGER F7N comes in at a wallet-friendly $25, while the Cosuvow Dashcam is a bit pricier at $59. Now you might be thinking, is the extra cost worth it?
Well, let's find out.
Next up, installation.
The REDTIGER F7N boasts an easy installation process with its permanent hidden cable. No more messing around with cables from your car's cigarette lighter socket.
On the other hand, the Cosuvow Dashcam comes with a fashionable mini design that won't block your sight while driving.
Plus, it comes with an excellent user manual, making installation a breeze. Now let's talk about surveillance. The REDTIGER F7N offers 24 hours of continuous power supply, thanks to its connection to the car battery or fuse box power.
It can even stay powered on when your car is turned off.
Meanwhile, the Cosuvow Dashcam provides 24-hour parking monitoring, capturing any potential events around your vehicle. That's some next-level protection.
Time to dive into video quality.
The REDTIGER F7N doesn't disappoint with its compatibility with all dashcams and its wide-angle lens.
But hold on to your seats because the Cosuvow Dashcam takes it up a notch with its UHD 4K resolution.
It's equipped with an advanced Starvis sensor and 6-glass lens, ensuring every detail of your driving is captured in stunning clarity.
Last but not least, let's look at the additional features.
The REDTIGER F7N comes with multiple security protections, including low-voltage protection and overheat prevention. Plus, they offer a worry-free 1-year free replacement warranty for any quality problems.
On the other hand, the Cosuvow Dashcam offers Wi-Fi app control, allowing you to easily view live footage, change settings, and share your videos with friends and family. And guess what? It even comes with a free 32GB SD card.
Based on online reviews, the REDTIGER F7N Dashcam Hardwire kit is highly rated for its affordable price, easy installation, continuous power supply, and compatibility with all dashcams. On the other hand, the Cosuvow Dashcam 4K front dash camera for cars is praised for its premium features, convenient installation, parking monitoring, high-resolution video quality, and wireless control through the app. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the REDTIGER F7N Dashcam Hardwire kit and the Cosuvow Dashcam 4K front dash camera for cars.
Both of these dashcams have their own unique strengths, so it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember, always buy smart.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome product comparisons.
Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.